Here NCERT exercise 5.5 question number 9, differentiate x raised to the power sin x plus sin x raised to the power cos x with respect to x. Let y is equal to x raised to the power sin x plus sin x raised to the power cos. So y is equal to u plus v, where u is equal to x raised to the power sin x and v is equal to sin x raised to the power cos x. See here, variable raised to the power variable, this one also variable raised to the power variable. So this one we assumed u and this one assumed v. So we have to find out du by dy by dx. So we assume y is equal to u plus v. It means dy by dx, differentiating with respect to x, du by dx plus dv by dx, differentiating with respect to x. So now our purpose to find out du by dx and dv by dx. Let this equation is number 1. This is equation number 1. Our purpose to find out du by dx and dv by dx. Then after substitute the value of du by dx and dv by dx in equation 1, you will get dy by dx. So we can't take direct log y is equal to log u plus log v. This is not a formula. So we are differentiating separately. So first of all here u equal to x raised to the power sin x. So taking log on both sides. On both sides. So log u is equal to log x raised to the power sin x. So here we are going to use the formula log m raised to the power n. Log m raised to the power n formula is equal to n log m to the base e. So this formula we are going to use. Now differentiating with respect to x. First we have to write log u base e equal to sin x log x to the base e. So suppose this one is u and this one is v. Formula u into v formula. So product rule, apply product rule. So differentiating with respect to x. So 1 by u into du by dx. So here log x to the base e is constant, this one is constant, v is constant, differentiation of u. So differentiation of sin x plus, now sin x is constant, differentiation of log x to the base e. So 1 by u du by dx is equal to log x to the base e into differentiation of sin x is cos x. Now plus sin x into differentiation of log x is 1 by x. So du by dx is equal, this u multiply here, the cross multiply, so here become cos x log x to the base e plus sin x by x. Now what is the value of u? Your u is x raised to the power sin x. Your u is x raised to the power sin. So du by dx equal to x raised to the power sin x cos x log x to the base e plus sin x by x. This is equation number 2. Now our purpose to find out dv by dx. Now our purpose to find out dv by dx. So here taking log on both sides. On both sides. So see here log v to the base e log sin x raised to the power cos x to the base e. So see here once again m raised to the power n. This is m, this is n. So m raised to the power n. So become cos x log sin x to the base e. Now we can apply here log v is equal to log v to the base e equal to cos x log sin x to the base e. So see here. Now this one is u. Suppose this one is u and this one is v. Product formula. Use the product formula. So differentiating with respect to x. Differentiating with respect to x. So 1 by v into dv by dx. So v constant, this one is constant, log sin x to the base is constant, differentiation of cos x plus cos x is constant, differentiation of log sin x to the base e. So 1 by v into 1 by v dv by dx is equal to log sin x to the base e into differentiation of cos x is minus sin x plus here cos x into, suppose this one is z, log x is z, this is z, so log z, differentiation of log z is 1 by z, 1 by z, then after differentiation of z means sin x. So see here dv by dx is equal to, this way cross multiply to whole one, so v outside, so minus sin x log sin x to the base e plus here cos x by sin x is cot x. So here cot x and differentiation of sin x is cos x. So now we can write here, so dv by dx is equal to, so your v is sin x raised to the power cos x, here cos x into cot x minus sin x into log sin x to the base e. Now this is equation number 3. Now put equation number 2 and equation number 3, you will get dy by dx. So see here, from equation 1, dy by dx equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. So dy by dx you got, and dv by dx is here. So dv by dx. Put this value in equation number 1. You will get dy by dx.